That's a good representation of ladies, huh? MashaAllah. Please.
Did any of the previous civilization achieve some material progress as this civilization is experiencing in this modern age?
Understood? Not did I fully. No.
All right, shall I repeat it?
You did?
Did any previous civilization achieve the same progress as the present one?
Yes.
Which modern
civilization has achieved?
Modern age is experiencing.
Yes.
It's very interesting that only the other day I was reading a report on their findings on Pompeii, which is called in Urdu Pompeii. And there I first found this mentioned by the non-Muslim Western scholars, what has been already mentioned in the Quran. Those who investigated the things and found what they indicated, one of them has written that the evidence has emerged from there that their civilization and their scientific achievements were no less than ours, even greater. So the writer explodes the myth that we are at the foremost of progress. He says, judging from that, we can safely conclude that human progress in the past ages was even greater than ours. So that is the answer to your question. But the Holy Quran is very specific on this. I have mentioned these verses many times before, that what you think you have achieved, people before you achieved even greater things. See? Aisha, when you are here, I do not have to cast even a single glance at who is operating the camera. It has to be Momin. There you are, you see? I didn't notice his presence, only I thought you were looking very well and exceptionally alert. Then looked up and saw the Momin was there. Good, please.